The markets are sliding and Warren Buffett is buying. The Oracle of Omaha is back after largely sitting out the largest bull run in history. Warren Buffett and Berkshire Hathaway have been buying tens of billions of dollars of stock over the past few months after ending 2021 with some insanely large cash piles. We're going to get to everything. My name's Vinny and you're watching The Investment Club. So hot off the press here, we know the stocks Warren Buffett is buying. Let's take a look. His major purchases include a couple of oil plays, namely Occidental Petroleum and Chevron. Now, oil stocks have run up quite a bit, as we know here. He also has an arbitrage bet on Activision Blizzard, and he's been buying shares of HP, Ally Financial, Citigroup, and Apple. So Buffett has been building the recession-proof portfolio, it would appear. And interestingly, they did exit their Wells Fargo position, which had been a top holding and part of the Berkshire portfolio since 1989. Now, things are looking bleak right now, which who would have thought it would be like this coming out of a global pandemic, that the bull run would be during the lockdown and the bear market would start when things seemingly were getting back to normal. Obviously, there's a lot of factors at play here, and government intervention is to thank as well. But when the value investor Buffett is jumping in after waiting out the biggest bull run ever, stocks are probably getting cheap. Be greedy when others are fearful. So Berkshire's top four holdings these days are Apple, followed by Bank of America, American Express, and now Chevron. Meanwhile, we see cryptos are getting absolutely crushed. Buffett and Munger have both blasted crypto as an international casino, and a look at the past couple of years has not made them seem crazy. Bitcoin, thought to be a hedge, has in the past 2 years really just moved up when stocks go up and down when stocks go down. It hardly has acted like a hedge, let alone these other crypto projects like the latest we saw with Luna that lost something like 99% of its value in a matter of hours. And when we take an even deeper look, the 3-month correlation between Bitcoin and the major US stock indexes hit its highest level on record. So a correlation of 1 would mean that they're moving in absolute tandem. When stocks go up, Bitcoin goes up. While a correlation of 0 would mean, let's say, while stocks go down, Bitcoin should go up and vice versa. Well, the level has been somewhere between 0.67 and 0.78, meaning that stocks and crypto or Bitcoin are moving in a largely similar fashion. So crypto is hardly looking like a hedge here. Now, on the other end of the spectrum, crypto bulls have stated that investments of all different kinds usually trade similarly during bear markets, but that these trends do not usually last long. So that's something we'll have to see. Who could have ever guessed that oil stocks like Chevron, Exxon would be up 46 and 44% year to date, respectively? Citigroup, another stock Buffett has been buying, down 18% year to date. And Apple stock also down 18% year to date. So it's tough to say here. Obviously, oil has run up quite a bit and you don't want to chase it. And we would hope that, maybe this is near the peak and oil prices come down, but things are looking pretty bleak. So who knows what's going to happen here? I'm not buying any oil stocks because I don't want to chase them after they've already gone up so much, and it's just not something that I really believe in or want to be invested in. But I definitely would have benefited had I listened to the value school of thought a little bit more over the past year. But again, who could have ever seen this coming? So let me know what you guys are doing. Are you buying stocks? Are you waiting this bear market out? If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know what you think in the comments below. This is Vinny from The Investment Club, and I'll see you next time.